Right, hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about hello and welcome. In this video, we are talking about how projects are making money. People are making money on meme coins. So in this example, we're going to take about HAMI coin, which is a famous coin. The developer is docked on YouTube, and he's shown how to create a project and everything. So which had a great run. So start from the beginning on 8th of March, then till 24th of March, they didn't have massive tractions. Now it went up to 3.4 million. So I'm going to try to market cap, which must be easier to see what's going on. So from there, then now it's trending around 3.6 million or 5 million between. You're going to see how people are making money and how even sometimes the projects make money, the developers make money. So in here currently it's on 3.6 million market cap. You can see here there are top traders, holders, and liquidity providers. We are very much interested in top traders. See if we come here, you can see. So let's move this one a bit further here. Right. So you can see there are top traders. This trader, he made 99.7K, almost 100K in this project. So there are so many people who made lots of money. So for example, this person, he spent about 1,500, then they made 2,300, $33,000, 30,000 in profit. So basically, this is the maker, this is the address, how much they bought it for, how much they sold it for, what's the P&L, then how many tokens they have, we don't know. This is the transaction. If you click on the transaction, it's going to show you as a graph where did they buy, where did they sold, and all kind of thing. This is a main explorer you can explore in the block explorer. So let's click on this one and see. Basically, what they did, they started the project. They bought it here when for £92. So almost they bought it for 7. So let me see how much they bought it for. So they bought it for 0.5 sol, 5 sol, 1 sol, and they all bought it for another 7 sol. So almost, I would say, 8 sol. So they made so much money, £30,000. So, which is crazy. You can see that they bought it here and they started selling when the prices goes up. Then he waited. He didn't sell all of them. So he waited, then started selling at the top around 33 million market cap. So this is how you make money. So this, you can see that they genuinely bought it. So what about the other, for example, this one? You can see this 99K. It says there's no record of, he bought it, right? So let's have a look. So it could be either, it could be the project owner, or it could be someone associated with the project, or they had an airdrop into about the token. So we are not sure about it. So most likely someone who's associated with the project, then they got these coins somehow. So it could be the dev. So we don't know. So basically, if you click on that, you can see in here, there is no transaction of buying anything. There's no, from 8 days, he started selling on 8 days. You can see from last, so it could be developer. He was waited, then they didn't sell at the all-time high. They could have made so much money, but they didn't. But they started selling around £7 million. So, then, they have almost made 100K, which is crazy, which is absolutely crazy. So some of the other projects that we can see that, we can see they made 100K, there's a 94K, 66K, 65K. So let's have a look at this one. So probably you can see is there any buys? No, there is no buy. I can't see any buy here at all. Again, it could be someone who's associated with the project, it could be dev. We don't know, we are not speculating, but this is how people are making money. So they started selling from here about 15th of April, right? 8 days ago, I think, almost. Yeah, same time. They started selling around 15 days ago, I think. Yeah, 13 days ago, started selling, keep going, keep on selling, which is crazy, They, how many transactions they had? So many transactions. I think they have set it up a bot and keep on selling small amount. You know what? 0.3, 0.2. Didn't sell much, but they started selling small amounts, which is crazy. You can see that that's how they make money. So let's see how many transactions they did. If we go there, 957K transaction they made. So this is how people are making money on Solana meme coin. If you wanted to make money, if you want to make your own project, please do get in touch. I'm able to help you. I had my own project as well, so which is going on the side, which is, I recommended everything on YouTube. So if you need some help, please hit me up on my Twitter or on the email, which is on the page. I'd like to see another video. Thanks for watching.